Here's the thing. Snoring is a huge problem for millions of people, and that's exactly why products like Airvex Pro get so much attention online. The promise sounds simple. You wear a small mouthpiece while sleeping, and it supposedly stops snoring overnight. According to the product page, Airvex Pro works by gently moving the lower jaw slightly forward. The idea is that when the jaw shifts forward, the airway stays open and airflow improves during sleep. Now, that concept isn't completely new. In fact, similar devices are known as mandibular advancement devices. Dentists sometimes prescribe them for mild snoring or mild sleep apnea because they reposition the jaw to reduce airway blockage. But here's where things get important. Many online versions of these mouthpieces are marketed with dramatic claims like "stop snoring instantly" or "replace expensive medical treatments." Those promises can be misleading. Snoring can happen for many reasons: nasal congestion, weight, sleep position, or even more serious sleep apnea. So a simple mouthpiece may help some people, especially with mild snoring, but it's unlikely to work as a universal overnight cure. If you're considering something like Airvex Pro, it's best to view it as a basic mouthguard style device rather than a guaranteed medical solution.